welcome back to the channel. So today I'm getting ready to do an oil change on our 22 Badlands 2.7 Sasquatch, and I have the old oil filter out here and getting ready to do this. I took the front bash plate off, or took it loose in the front, and removed the skid plate that is under the front diff, and it goes to the oil pan, and guess what? I have a front diff leak. At least that's where I think it's coming from. So I'm going to take the camera underneath the Bronco and let you see it, let you see what you think, but I do know this is a problem going around. I know our friends over at All Terrain Nation unfortunately had an issue, and it looks like we have an issue here. I also have a 21 Badlands that I will be crawling underneath to look at as well. But right now, I'm going to finish the oil change on our Bronco, but show you what I think's leaking. Check it out. All right, so you can see there's a little bit of oil or some type of fluid right here, and also it's kind of hard to tell from this angle, but it is, you can see it back there as well. It is not, or it does not appear to be, the oil pan. And we have some over here on this bolt hole, so I'm going to have to investigate and see what the heck's going on. But definitely a red color. Yep. It's not oil. So let's see if we can see what's leaking. So there you go. A little bit of a leak that I found while doing the oil change on my 22 Badlands 2.7, and it is equipped Sasquatch. Like I said in the beginning of the video, why is that relevant? It might not be, but just to let you know what we're working on. All right, so that's it. You see a little bit of fluid leaking. It is red in color, so I'm assuming it is diff fluid. Yeah, it could be transmission stuff, but I didn't see anywhere around the transmission leaking, so I'm pretty certain it's going to be the front differential. There's that seal that is not set all the way, something going on there. I'll definitely know more about it myself after talking to the dealer. So we'll call them in the morning, we'll get the appointment. Hopefully they can get me done by the 4th of July, because we have plans for both Broncos on the 4th of July. So oil change is done. That went as uneventful as it could ever go. The problem is I did find that issue leaking from the front diff, and it doesn't appear that it drips a lot sitting. It's when you're moving, when the shaft is turning, when the diff is, you know, spinning, it's probably driving a little bit out. There wasn't a lot downstream, so I think we caught it early, but for what it's worth, we caught it. So there you go. I wouldn't normally say I hope you like the video, but no one likes videos like this. And if you've hey, if you've got any experience on this, you know, hit me up in the comments below. It's a new vehicle, it's a new type of vehicle. We know these things can happen. We do expect small issues. I have 2 Broncos, and this is really the only significant issue that we've had. So there you go. All right, everyone, stay tuned to the channel. We have a lot of changes coming up in about a week, and I'll keep you informed on what we find out here. All right, everyone. All right, hit that like button for me if you don't mind, and if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers in a hurry. We're trying to always add good content. I try to be creative with the content. This is not creative. This is just reality, right? So we do have an issue with it. We'll take it to the dealership. We do have a great dealer. I know they're going to probably get me in and out as quick as they can. But that's it. All right, everyone, stay tuned.